In this tutorial, we'll show you how to set unique slide IDs and enable custom JavaScript navigation in Articulate Storyline 360. First, open your project in Articulate Storyline 360. Then, go to the Slide Master view from the top ribbon. This will allow you to define consistent behavior across all slides. Now, create a new text variable. In this example, we'll name it slide.id. Next, for each layout or individual slide, add a trigger that sets a unique value to this variable when the timeline starts. This unique value will act as the slide's ID. Next, create another variable. We'll call this one JumpToSlide. This variable will be used to trigger navigation when a user clicks a button. On the Slide Master, assign each navigation button to change the JumpToSlide variable to a unique numeric value. For instance, button 1 sets it to 0, button 2 to 1, and so on. Now, let's add a trigger to run JavaScript when the JumpToSlide variable changes. Here's a sample JavaScript snippet you can use to jump to a specific slide. Make sure your list of slide IDs is correctly defined in the JavaScript. Exit Slide Master view and publish the course to Review 360 to test the navigation. If everything is set correctly, the slide jump functionality works seamlessly. However, when you publish your Articulate Storyline 360 course as SCORM and upload it to an LMS, the custom JavaScript may not run as expected. Here's a quick fix for that. Locate the story.html inside your published course folder. Right-click the file and open it using a code editor like Brackets, Notepad++, or any plain text editor. Find the script section. This is usually located just before the closing body tag. Now paste the suggested sample custom HTML script right after that section. Save the file. Then, upload the updated version to your LMS and test it again. This should restore the custom slide jump functionality in LMS environments. And that's it. You've now learned how to create unique slide IDs and enable JavaScript-based navigation in Articulate Storyline 360. Thanks for watching and happy course creating with Articulate Storyline 360.